Hey Keith, what the hell did you say? What was the sign of summer?
The sound of cicadas.
So it's the sound of cicadas?
Yeah, that thing that makes that shifting sound.
That's.
Yeah, what are you doing? I think you're recording.
I don't think I'm doing anything.
I think you're doing something.
No, I'm not. Yo, Ed. Do a tech throw from Street Fighter 3. No, ask Matt to throw the frisbee at you and then do the tech throw. Again, you failed. Tech throw, bitch. Come on. Tech the fucking throw. Wait, it's not a tech throw, it's a tech hit.
Yeah, tech hit. Tech throw, that's like...
Tech.
Into the bush.
Oh, you're into that bush.
Watch out. The Hercules throw. Alright, I think you're breaking the rules.
What rules?
I don't know, you're going pretty high on this.
Well, those are firecrackers already. The
Should have
fireworks.
brought, you know, like the leftovers.
What leftovers?
It says bottle on it.
You had more? Since from last. Dude, you didn't light those yet? Damn it! Yo, Matt, I think we know where bottle rockets are.
Yeah?
Yeah, Keith says he still has more.
You do?
Do you have a lot?
Oh, it's like, it's not that many, but I still have it.
How many?
I don't know.
How long do you think it'll entertain us for?
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
It's not that many, it's only like 4. It's not like,
What?
they're like cotton, full of like floating.
I'm sorry, Ann.
One